Okay, everyone, so the Mariners, they start up their season tonight. 7:10 is going to be the first pitch, and you can see mostly sunny skies initially. Now, that is going to be also factored in with some cloud coverage, and it's around, but it's more filtered than anything. So it's thin, and it's allowing a lot of that sun still to bleed through, as you can see at our live camera shot right there at T-Mobile Park. But as we go into the night, the clouds will begin to increase, and temperatures, they drop into the 40s. So it's going to cool down quite a bit. I can already see some people with blankets, some sweaters, hoodies. Bring something warm if you're heading out to the game. Now, out there at Centered Field, we do have a school net side, which gives us all the ratings of what's happening right there. That exact location shows us currently 50 degrees there at T-Mobile Park. Well, you can see the sun, it's still trying to bleed on through, but we are going to lose some of that here as we head over the next few hours with the clouds moving on in. We're at 53 out at the airport. Southwest winds coming in at 15 miles per hour, 54 in Renton, 50 in Tacoma, and then you got some of the 40s out along the coast. Quite a difference from what we had earlier into the week when we were seeing a lot more of those upper 50s, even getting closer to 60 degrees. Down today in comparison to yesterday by 5, 10, 13 degrees here across western Washington. 14, as a matter of fact, down around Chehalis. So a much cooler air mass in place, and that will be a trend here that we see on into the end of the work week and through the weekend. Now you can see some spotty chances of sprinkles trying to show up, and that might be around T-Mobile Park. I think we're still going to keep the roof open because a lot of this won't really materialize into a whole lot. So we'll keep the better chances over the Olympic Peninsula. That will continue to try to scoot its way farther to the east, but eventually a larger system comes in, and that's really going to put down a lot of the snow here across parts of the Cascades. Tonight, you can see cloudy skies just really developing. Then we go into tomorrow morning, a slightly better chance of rain starting to come in, and then that really fills in as we head into tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, 2, 3 o'clock all the way into the first half of the night. So tomorrow night, probably more of a closed roof night before we see those shower chances still linger on into the weekend, but they won't be quite as widespread. Still chilly though, with 40s all the way through Monday, back into the 50s by Tuesday.